morning everyone. My name is Jason Orbeta from Palapas, Ligao City, and I am a grade 10 student of Palapas National High School. My father is Edgardo Orbeta. He is a construction worker, and my mother she is here right now, and she is Gemma Orbeta. She is a housewife, and I will be competing in the National Festival of Talents Trading in Naga City, Cebu. And now I'm here at the office of Congressman Ferdinand Cabredo to demonstrate to you the use of it. This is the story that I'm going to read, titled Thunder King. On sultry summer days at my grandma's farm in Michigan, the air gets damp and heavy. Storm clouds drift low over the fields. Birds fly close to the ground. The clouds glow for an instant with a sharp, crackling light, and then a roaring, low, thumping sound of thunder makes the windows shudder in their panes. The sound used to scare me when I was little. I had to go to Grandma's house. Babushka, as I used to call my grandma, had come from Russia years before. But I feared Michigan summer storms. I feared the sound of thunder more than anything. I always hid under the bed when the storm moved near the mountains. This is the story of how my grandma, my babushka, helped me overcome my fear of other storms.
C-A-B-R-E-D-O.
Tama na tabi.
Sito talaw? Pagkapak. Ayan po. Pangalan mo sa ako.
Yun, hindi Fernando Cabredo.
Lahat po ng tao na nasa paligid ko, isa lang po ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Basta, kahit ano po, kahirap ang sitwasyon natin, patuloy na tayong lumabang. Kahit ano pa ang mangyari, tayo susuko. Basta lagi naman natin tandaan na habang may buhay, mayroong pag-asa. Tsaka, yung mga bagay po na nakatutulan tulad ng bisyo, anak, sugal, droga, huwag na sana ninyo. Huwag na sana ninyo gagawin pa. Isirain na yung buhay niyo. Bilang panghuli po, bago tayong mawawala ng pag-asa, lagi lang tayong manampalataya at manalangin sa Panginoon. Magtiwala mo tayo lagi sa Kanya at sigurado siya na ang bahala sa lahat ng suliranin natin.